Hi everyone, my name is Gorata Bakgoeng. I'm here to try my luck in Gemstones because I believe I got the confidence, with every quality a presenter should have. And this is a chance for me to inspire young people out there and to motivate them. So, yeah. Hi everyone, we just returned from a very quick commercial break. If you just tuned in, no worries, you haven't missed that much. You are watching Gemstones and I'm your host, Gorata Bakgoeng. Well, if you know you can dance, sing, present, or even act, come try your luck here in Gemstones. But don't forget to bring along 200 bula for you to get your passport to your brighter future. Or should I say fame and success? Of course, I said it. It's all happening here in Gemstones. Come and show us what you got. It's happening here, President Hotel in Main Gaborone from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. every Saturday. Come and show us this star you can be. This is an opportunity you do not want to miss. Bye-bye.